Hi everyone, welcome back. Admittedly, it's been a very long time since I made a video. Too long, apologies for that. Now that we're all back to normal, I'm not at the home very often, so it's been pretty hard to squeeze in time to make some videos. But I'm going to try and make a couple of them today. So this first one's from a subscriber comment. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, Upendra. Upendra was asking about grouping absence sensors. So as I mentioned briefly in the comments, you can't actually group absence sensors together. The way you do it is to simply configure multiple sensors in the same way to control the same scene. Okay, so what I've got set up here is a flat light here, okay, which I can turn on from this flat scene. This is just a really basic scene. The light is dimmed to 10% because it's a very bright light. I've got one battery powered presence sensor here at the rear left, facing away from the camera of course, and another one on the right hand side facing away from the camera. Okay. If I show you those two scenes, show the two sensors. So again, the motion pole at the top here is this one here in the top left. It's configured for absence, controlling the flat scene, and linger time of 5 seconds and 1 second fade time. 5 seconds is purely for this demo. Naturally, for an absence sensor, you're probably going to configure at least 30 minutes, if not more. Okay, and then the other presence sensor is here, which is the Liga Air SP battery, configured in exactly the same way. Set up for absence, flat scene, linger time of 5 seconds, fade time of 1 second. Okay. So, if I go back to my scenes, you can see the scene is on. Okay. It'll stay on until one of those sensors is actually triggered. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, it's been on for more than 5 seconds and the sensors haven't seen us. Why not? This is because an absence sensor must first be triggered before it starts to work. Okay. I've seen this a few times where unfortunately a switch has been placed on on the wall in a room where somebody's been able to walk into the room, switch the lights on, turn the lights on with the switch, and leave the room without triggering the sensor on the ceiling at all. Which means in this case the lights never go out, they stay on until somebody manually turns them off. So you need to, for installations, make sure that you are placing the sensors in a position where they will be, where they will trigger movement. So again, scene on, let's trigger it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes off. Okay, same on the right hand side, scene on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes off. So again, just to recap, we're not grouping the absence sensors in any way, we're just giving them the same configuration to control the same scene. Okay, and the scene will remain active until both presence sensors, in this case both because we have two, it'll remain active until both sensors see absence. Okay, not just one, both.